On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the best websites that you can upload your digital product like ebook to sell without investing anything. This method is one of the best because it does not require you to drive traffic, it does not require any experience, it does not require any skills. Everything is simple and it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to come on this website, edufreebie.com. On this website, you can find a whole lot of different digital products that you can download and resell at your own price. I've been showing you this website, but in today's video, I will show you a different way that you can use to sell the digital products to make money without driving traffic. So what you have to do is that you have to come on the website. Once you are on edufreebie.com, click right here, you can see courses. Once you click on courses, you can click right here, ebooks. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get access to a lot of different ebooks that you can download and resell at your own price. If you don't want to download the books on this website, you can also use ChatGPT to write your ebook and then sell it at your own price. I have a guide that will show you step by step on how to create and sell a digital product like ebook. So all that you need to do is that you have to check at the description of this video that you are watching. Once you check, you will find this link right here. When you click on it, you get access to my guide that will show you step by step on how to create and sell a digital product as a complete beginner without any skills. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you can see this is the guide that will show you everything that you need to know about creating and selling digital products. You can see it is $2.99. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, download now. Once you click on it, you can be able to download the guide so that you get to know everything that you need to know about creating and selling a digital product to make profit. In this case, we are not going to be creating a digital product. We are going to download the free ones on this website so that I can show you how you can sell them without driving traffic. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, courses. Once you click on it, select ebooks. Once you select ebooks, you can see these are all ebooks that you can download for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different books under different topics that you can download and resell at your own price. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see they have them in different pages. So let's click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, you get to know other books that you can download and sell at your own price. You can see online photography guide. If you want the ebook, you can click on it to download. There are many of them. Finding a job online. If you want that ebook, you can click on it and then download. There are many of them. So just download the one that you want so that you can resell them at your own price. There are many kinds of ebooks on this website that you can download and resell at your own price. You can see a whole lot of them. Just download the one that you want. So let's click on page 3. Once you click on page 3, you can see many other products that you can download. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see many ebooks that you can download and resell. You can see everything. In this case, I'm going to download this ebook right here. So click on it so that you can be able to download the ebook. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see the description of the ebook. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, free download. Once you click on it, you can be able to download the ebook and then resell it. You can see it is downloading. Once you download it, it is in a zip file. So what you have to do is that you have to unzip it. To unzip it, open a new tab and then search for B1 unzip. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first website. Once you click on the website, click right here so that you can upload your zip file. Once you click on it, select your zip file, click on open. Once you click on open, you can see it is extracting. So just wait for it to extract. You can see it is extracting. Just wait for it to extract everything for you. As you can see, it has extracted the ebook. You can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the product. You can see the images and the lances. So what you have to do is that you have to click on product. Once you click on it, download the ebook. So click on it. Once you click on it, if you want the PDF version, you can download it. If you want the Word version, you can download it. In this case, I want PDF, so click on it. Once you click on it, click right here so that you can download it. Once you click on it, you can see it is downloading. It has finished downloading. Now what you have to do is that you have to open the ebook so that you can be able to view the content. You can see this is the cover, you can see the content. Just scroll down so that you can see this is the table of content. You can see everything. You can see the content of the book. Just scroll down and then see everything. Make sure the ebook has a lot of pages. Do not sell an ebook that has 13 pages or 14 pages. Make sure you download an ebook that will serve your potential customers' interest. Do not just download anything. A book like this is good because it has many pages. It contains a whole lot of information. You can see it has about 72 pages. So let's come back on Unzip so that we can download covers of the ebook before we begin to sell it. So click on graphics. Once you click on it, you can see these are covers of the ebook. Download the one that you want so that you can use it. You can see I've downloaded this one. Once you have the ebook and then the cover, the next step is that you have to find a website where you can sell this ebook to make money from home. There are many websites where you can sell this ebook to make money. One of the best websites where you can sell your ebook for free is draft2digital.com. Draft2digital is a website that allows you to upload your book and sell it at many marketplaces. You can sell your book on Amazon, you can sell your book on Apple once you upload it on Draft2Digital. They allow you to sell your book in about 10 different marketplaces without you having to upload to different marketplaces. So all that you need to do is that you have to upload your book right here and then sell it at any marketplace that you want. One good thing about Draft2Digital is that they are available worldwide and they have many different methods of payment that you can use to receive your money. Once you earn royalties on this website, you can receive your money through Payoneer, you can receive your money through PayPal, you can receive your money through your bank accounts. So any method that you want them to pay you, you have to enter it so that they can pay you at any time that you make a sale. You don't need to have a PayPal account before you join this website. Just create an account so that you can be able to sell your ebook on this website without paying for anything. To create an account, click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you can be able to create a free account. So let me log into my accounts. Let me click on next so that I can log into my accounts. As you can see, this is my account. I'm not going to show you the books that I'm selling, but I'm going to show you my report so that you can see the number of sales that I've been able to generate on this website. So let me click on report. As you can see, this is my report. You can see the number of sales that I've gotten on this website. You can see last month, this is the number of sales that I've gotten. You can see this month so far, this is the amount of sales that I've been able to get. When I scroll down, you can see this is the amount that I've earned. You can see last month, this is the amount that I've earned. When I scroll down, you can see this is the verified revenue. So this amount has been verified. I can ask for payment. You can see it right here. So this is one of the best platforms that you can use to promote your digital product. Once you list your product on this platform, even if you are not able to drive traffic, you are still going to be getting organic sales because they allow you to sell on different large marketplaces. So now what you have to do is that you have to upload our book onto this platform so that we can sell it. To upload your book, click right here, My Books. Once you click on My Books, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, Add New Book. Once you click on Add New Book, you can see Start ebook, Start print book. In this case, it is an ebook, so click right here, Start ebook. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see I don't have cover art yet. I have front cover art, so let's click on it. We have the cover of the book. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to upload it. So click right here, Browse. Once you click on Browse, select the image that you downloaded, the book cover that you downloaded, select it, and then click on Open. Once that is done, you can see it is uploading. It has been uploaded. You can see it right here. This is the cover of the book. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert the title of the book right here. Once you come back on Edit Free, you can see this is the title of the book. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see series, just leave it. You can see language. You have to select the language of the book. In this case, it is in English, so just leave it English. If you have a book in any other language, you can scroll down and then select the language. But in this case, the book that we are selling is in English. You can see the volume number, just leave everything. Once that is done, you have to select the publisher and the author's name. So you have to enter your name right here. Once that is done, you have to enter some keywords so that anyone who searches on Google or any of the marketplaces that you are going to be selling your book, they can find your book and then make a purchase. So let's type a keyword like finance. Type finance. Once that is done, press enter. Once you press enter, you can see it has appeared here. Once that is done, you have to enter money. Enter money. Once that is done, press enter. Let's type online marketing. Press enter. Once that is done, type digital marketing. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to type personal finance. So something like personal finance. Just type all the keywords that are related to the book that you are selling. Type all keywords right here. Once you enter your keywords, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see target age. My book does not contain content inappropriate for minors, so it does not contain any harmful content. Our book does not contain inappropriate content, so select the first one. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see right here, you have to select the categories that best match your product. And you can see they have fiction books, they have non-fiction books, they have juvenile fiction books. Once you select your target audience age, the next step is that you have to select the category. You can see they have fiction, non-fiction, juvenile fiction, juvenile non-fiction, young adult fiction, young adult non-fiction. Select the appropriate category that you want. In this case, it is a non-fiction, so let's select non-fiction. Once you select it, you can scroll down and then select the appropriate category of your book. You can see a whole lot of them. Select any category that is related to finance. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Let's select education. Once you select education, you have to select finance. You can see finance. Click on it. It is financial education. Once that is done, you can select as many other categories as you want. So let's go back. Once you come back, let's select business and economy. So click on it. Once you click on it, let's select advertising and promotion. Once that is done, scroll down and then select any other category that you want. Let's select commerce. As you can see, that has been done. Just select any category that is related to your book. So you can see a whole lot of different categories. So select the one that is related to your book. Let's select e-commerce. Once that is done, select digital marketing. Once you select digital marketing, you can select small business. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the categories, the next step is that you have to click right here, start ebook. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to upload the main content of the book. So click right here, browse, so that you can be able to upload your book. Once you click on browse, you can see I've been able to upload the ebook. Make sure you always upload it in a Word format. PDF is not friendly, so make sure you upload it in a Word format. Once you upload the content of your book, the next step is that you have to write a description and then paste it right here. Make sure you write a very useful description that will help people to get more information about the product before they can decide to purchase it. Write relevant information about your book as much as you can so that you can get many people to purchase it. For the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight and then copy the description of the book on edufreeview.com. So just highlight and then copy it. But you have to take the time and then write a very useful description. Once you have your description, the next step is that you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can write a short description about your book, but it is optional, so just leave it. Once that is done, just leave all these options and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, we don't have ISBN number, so what you have to do is that you have to let this website assign one for you. So click on give me a free draft to digital ISBN number. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, click on save and continue. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is a preview of your book. You can see everything. You can see the preview of your book. If you don't like it, you can go back and then make changes. You can see everything. In this case, I like everything that I see, so click right here, save and continue. Once you click on it, you can see it is finalizing. Once it has finished finalizing, you can see everything about your book. You can see everything. If you want to read it, once you click right here, it is going to open to a new page. Click right here. You can see it turns a new page. Click right here. It turns a new page. Click right here. You can see a new page. Click on it so you can see all the content of your book. Once that is done, you have to scroll down, check this box. Once you check the box, click on save and continue. Once you click on it, the next step is the price. So you can enter the price right here. You can enter any price that you want. So let's enter $18. Once you enter the price, you are going to see the amount of royalties that you are going to earn. You can see these are all marketplaces that your book is going to be listed for sale. You can see these are all marketplaces. You can see many marketplaces that your book is going to be sold, and each of them, these are the royalties that you are going to be earning. So if your book is sold on Kobo, this is the amount of royalties that you are going to earn. You can see if they sell on this marketplace, this is the amount of royalty that you are going to earn. You can see if it is sold on Smashwords, this is the amount of royalty that you are going to earn. You can see this one, and then this marketplace, you can take it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. If you want to list your book on Amazon Marketplace, you can list it, but I'm not going to do that. I usually want to upload my book separately on Amazon.com, so I'm not going to list it right here. So do not check this box. Your book is listed on Everrun, so this is the projected royalty. Once you scroll down, you can see Kobo Plus. These are the territories where your book is going to be listed for sale. You can see a whole lot of different locations. You can see a whole lot of different locations if your book is going to be sold on Kobo. So let's select all these locations. Select every place that you want. Select every place. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, these are libraries. These are libraries where your book is going to be sold. You can see the libraries. You can see everything. So the marketplace, our book is sold at $18. When we come at the libraries, you have to also enter an amount right here. So you can enter any amount that you want. So let's enter $26. Let's reduce it so that it can be affordable for the libraries to purchase it for us to make money. These are libraries where your book is going to be sold. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, the next step is that you have to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see I am the original creator of this content. I have secured the copyright to release this content from the copyright holders. This book is public domain and the rest. So select the one that is appropriate to you. In this case, I'm going to select the first one. Always make sure that any free digital product that you download, you modify it a little bit so that you can get many people to purchase it. It is already available online, so you have to make it a little bit different. So make sure you always modify your digital products before you upload them for sale. Once you have selected the option that is appropriate to you, the next step is that you have to click right here to confirm. Once you click on confirm, click right here, publish my book, so that your book can be published. Once you click on publish my book, you can see ebook success. Your book has been successfully submitted. The various marketplaces are going to publish your ebook. There are some of them, they will take 1 day to do so. Others will take 2 days to publish your book. Others will take 1 week. Others will take 2 hours. It depends on the various marketplaces. Each of the marketplaces have their different timeline that they are going to publish your ebook. So just be patient. They are going to publish it, and you are going to be getting many people who purchase the book for you to make money. That is all. Your book has been uploaded. Just wait for it so that you can be getting people to purchase it. If you want to promote your ebook, you can click right here, copy, so that you can get the link to your ebook, so that you can be able to drive traffic to your ebook for many people to purchase it. Apart from you driving traffic, on Drive to Digital, you are going to be getting organic traffic, which means even if you don't drive traffic to your ebook, you can be getting sales. So make sure you upload as many ebooks onto this website as you can. Upload a whole lot of them so that you can be earning royalties every month for free without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.